Once upon a time in a little village, there was an old map maker named Elias. People liked him because he could make maps that told stories about faraway places. One day when the sun was going down, Elias sat by a fire with some kids. He took out a really old map and started telling them a story. Elias smiled at the children and said, "This is the ancient mapmaker's tale. It's about a kingdom that people don't remember anymore." He unfolded the old map, and the kids stared at it, all curious. "Long ago, there was a kingdom beyond these hills," Elias began. "It was a happy place with a wise king. People lived there peacefully, surrounded by beautiful nature and lovely cities." The children imagined the kingdom in their minds, with happy people and pretty buildings. Elias continued. The kingdom had everything: fertile land, skilled artists, and joy in the air. Life was good. But then Elias changed his tone, and the kids could feel something sad in his words. But like in many stories, something bad happened. A mysterious darkness came over the land, and the happy kingdom faced tough times. The kids leaned in, wanting to know more. Elias went on. The wise king asked for help from special map makers called the ancient map makers. They knew not only about the world, but also about people's hearts. They made a magical map that could guide the people through hard times. Elias smiled again. With hope and courage, the people followed the map. Facing challenges and sticking together, the ancient mapmakers showed them the way. The children were excited to know what happened next. Elias said, "The people, with the help of the map, beat the darkness. The kingdom became happy again, and the story of their bravery was passed down to their children and their children's children." As Elias rolled up the old map, the children sat quietly, thinking about the story. The fire made shadows on their faces, and Elias was happy. He knew he didn't just tell a story. He shared something special with the kids. And so, the ancient map maker's tale became a treasured memory, reminding everyone that even when things are tough, hope and courage can guide us to better days.